Now we have a sequence of steps to and away from each other. Let's start with the men's perspective. Take a step backward with the right leg. Remember about bending your knees slightly. Connect your feet. Your hands are sliding into the position you already know. Now left leg goes forward, slightly to the left. Hands go to the sides. Right leg backward. Connect your feet without shifting your weight. And this time left leg goes to the right side. Hands to the sides and right leg backward. Left leg forward to the left again. This time hands go to the sides and up. And you should both focus on placing the partner's hand behind your neck. At the same time, start walking around each other with natural everyday steps. Gentlemen, right leg, left one, right one, left one. Meanwhile, the hands are sliding along the partner's arm up to the point when you're holding your wrists. Now lead the lady's clockwise rotation, right hand goes between the two of you, then above her head, take one more step, end up standing on the right leg, lady switches her hands, bend your knees and go into the opening. Now the lady's perspective. From the frame, slide your hands down and place them in the man's hands. Take a step backward with the left leg. Now forward with the right leg to your left side. Step. Now left leg backward. Right one forward to the right. And left leg backward. Right one forward to the left again. Hands go up. Focus on placing the man's hand behind your neck. Walk around. Left leg. Right one. Left. Right. Rotate clockwise in front of the man. Left. Right. Left. Place your left hand in the man's right hand. Bend your knee. Go into the opening. Let's count this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.